Okay, so this is Zoom for Thursday, January 7th, 2021. On Tuesday, we talked about Pythagorean theorem and that it only works for right triangles. So we already know, and what we're doing now is we're saying, well, what if it's not a right triangle? And remember, this is bonus. If you complete it, it is due on Sunday. That is the 10th, I do believe. Okay, so we already know that if it is a right triangle, that it's going to follow c squared equals a squared plus b squared. But what if it was an acute triangle? Well, if it's acute, it's going to follow c squared is less than a squared plus b squared. Okay, well, what if it's obtuse? Well, if it's obtuse, then c squared is going to be greater than a squared plus b squared. And you're like, okay, well, if it's acute and obtuse, then we don't know, there's no hypotenuse, so what is c going to be? Well, you just need to remember that c is always going to be the largest number. Okay, so I'm going to do one example for you, and then remember you can complete the rest of this for bonus point. So if I'm looking at number 1, I have a side length of 51, 24, and 40. So the largest one would be 51. So that's going to be my value for C. Well, I'm trying to multitask. Don't do it, kid. Let's do this real quick. Okay. So I'm going to use c squared, and then I'm going to put equals because I don't really know if it is or isn't. A squared plus b squared. So my c is going to be 51. So I have 51 squared may be equal to 40 squared plus 24 squared. And then you just use your calculator. So I'm going to go, all right, 51 squared is 2601. And then 4 squared plus 24 squared, you can type it all in at once, is 2176. So they're obviously not equal. So the rule is you want Pac-Man to eat the larger number. So if I'm looking at 2601 and 2176, which one's larger? Well, that would be 2601. And then just look up here to see which one it matches. It's not equal. It's not pointing to the left. It is pointing to the right. So our answer for this one is that it is an obtuse triangle. And that's how you complete these problems. If you have any questions, just message me. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day.